Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is February 13th, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, so we expect that this sell-off is coming, and finally seems like the sell-off is here. So we got broad-based sell-off today. S&P 500, semiconductors, big techies, gold miners, even crude actually just came down. Volume is decent, like 101 million so far traded, and it's pretty nice volume. And still, we will have like a 4 hours after hours. I should say after hours, it can go up to probably 120 million. So this is high volume reversal. We should take it as like a good sell-off here. At least we should see some kind of like a support somewhere around 48.41 to 4900. But if it goes below 48.41, we should see some kind of like acceleration in sell-off to 4700, which is going to be a decisive pivotal point for the market. If this one breaks through to the downside, I should say the sell-off is going to initiate all the way down to 44 83 to 45.77, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. To be honest, I'm not forecasting the sell-off levels. I'm just giving you the levels are here. But again, February, March could be good buying opportunity for us. I know lots of people are just waiting for a crash or something like a bear market back to the market, but I'm not expecting that one is coming soon. So this sell-off can give us a good kind of like a buying opportunity. If you see my weekly analysis, I will give you some levels in the weekly chart, but I should say between 45 to 4700, that's around a good level of demand and support and whatever you want to call it. This is a fantastic um, level that we should see it as like a buying opportunity. We got bear reversal, dual back bear reversal today, and this is in a daily phase, and we see some kind of like a reversal here, but it didn't go through, so it just gave us like very small sell-off and then coming back up. We need to see some kind of like an overbought condition and then sell off in both a time, like a weekly and daily, and then coming down all the way to the oversold condition in daily and weekly. Then we can see some kind of like a great buying opportunity. Right now, I'm just sitting on the side still, allocating my cash positions, waiting for this sell off, form the bottom, and then we can just see some kind of like a moving action from the market. Right now, I'm just sitting there. I think this sell off or this corrective phase is going to stay here for months. So that would be kind of like February to March, probably end of the March. That could be great buying opportunity. Moving on to Nasdaq, which initiated the sell-off today as well. So Nasdaq just touched SMA 20. I believe that's the support here. So this is kind of like a short-term support. We will see some, if we see some kind of like a consolidation here, which I believe we'll see some kind of like a consolidation tomorrow or by end of this week, then we can see some kind of like a next phase of the sell-off coming all the way down to 17,000. If this one breaks through, I should say the ugly sell-off or acceleration is coming to 15,000 to 16,000, which is going to be a great buying opportunity. So first level is going to be 17,000, but if it doesn't hold on, then we can go all the way down to 16,000 area. Bear reversal on a daily basis. So we got a divergence every single time frame. When you see there is a divergence, so that's why this sell-off can be a huge. So good corrective move is going to be 5% to 10%. So we're just waiting for that one. Dow coming down as well. So Dow sold off sharply today. 1.38% to the downside, almost 538, which is a huge for Dow Jones, like a 500 unit per day. So we can see some kind of like a coming down. I should say this sell-off can go all the way down to just above 37,000. Still, we will have like another, I should say, 1,200 points to the downside. So that's going to be a lot for Dow, and that's kind of like impact a lots of big heavy value stocks, which is going to be a great buying opportunity for us. So I'm just waiting for that one to see how market is going to react even lower low to this area, which I don't think it's going to happen, but if it happens, that would be great. So keep an eye on this. This is just the first day for the Dow, second day for S&P, and Nasdaq, so we just need to keep an eye on this. Gold, as per yesterday analysis, coming down here, I'm just looking for right now a bottom information. So I believe gold can form a bottom before a stock market. So if we see some kind of like a ending diagonal formation, coming back up and then coming down, coming back up, coming down, like a zigzag pattern to the lower, lower, lower high, that would be still within this range. And that would be kind of like the bottom information in a bigger time frame. I'm just looking for weekly close for gold. Right now, gold just to smash down 27 points to the downside, like a 1992 sub 2000 level, which is going to be important for lots of people. I should say, as long as gold keeps itself above this wide range bar, which is going to be 1970, 1966, that would be great potential for the big move to the upside. So still looking for gold for the next, or I should say, second half of this year. Crude coming up today. So crude just stretching higher. Geopolitical tensions still is there. So we got a good buy signal here, but we got into this overbought condition. And this overbought condition seems like momentum is down. However, there is no divergence here. So we want to see a higher high with a lower high divergence in MACD and also RSI. That would gives us a nice selling signal to the downside. So still waiting for that one, looking for crude somewhere around 78 to 80, which is going to be a potential reversal point. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. After nice surge to the upside, Bitcoin show kind of like a hanging man today. So I don't know if this is just a hiccup consolidation prior to the next phase rally. I should say if it goes down, either take out this low to this area, which Bitcoin sometimes do this, and that would be great buying opportunity. Again, these are my levels. However, I'm just looking for kind of like this area as well. Right now, I'm just looking for this area as a good breakout level. So let me just bring the chart here. So this is the level right now. This is a new demand area based on a recent development in the chart. But if it doesn't hold this area, which is 42,000, it can go all the way down to 35,000. Yield coming up today. So as I said, this is a nice bullish consolidation prior this trend line. Means this is a bullish development and can go higher. So this one goes higher. And right now we are just getting into a nice targeting point, 4.7, 4.83. So that's going to be the level that I'm looking for as a good reversal point. Right now, yield, CPI, everything, just CPI was, as I said, like pretty interesting. Like it goes to 4%. Right now, there is uptick in CPI. It beats up expectation and also last month, both core and total, which is, to be honest, very negative for the market because this means Federal Reserve cannot do rate cut anytime soon. That is kind of like a very, very warning sign for the market because market is speculate based on 6 to 7 rate cuts. I don't know where that number is coming from, but based on the real scenario, we can get maximum 2, 3 rate cuts. Even if they do that, that's going to be happening second half of this year. So let's wait. But this is the area that I'm looking for. I'm not sure if it goes higher than that. I'm not sure even if it goes above 5%, probably 4.66, 67%. That's going to be the area that I'm looking at for the reversal. Yield treasury is coming down, inverse correlation with yield. So 89 to 91 and also 86 to 89. That's going to be the area that I'm looking at. VIX, nice spike. Look at that. So VIX goes all the way up here to $17, $18-ish. So pretty much engulfed all the resistance here, which is going to be a pullback. So if VIX is coming down to this area, probably that's going to be another sharp move to the upside. I should say VIX or volatility can pick up this February, March. Today was marvelous move, 15% so far. It goes all the way down up to here to 25% as well. Dixie, nice move to the upside. Dixie just to fulfill the target here, 104.88. Consolidation means can go higher to 105 maximum. Magma indicator coming down today. After hours, it goes a little bit higher, but again, this is kind of like the area that I'm looking at as like a bearish consolidation for next move to the downside. Moving on to Apple, $2 down today. Amazon, $3, $370 down. So Amazon just goes up to 168.90 after hours. It can go higher a bit, but probably it's going to fill out this gap and then coming back down again. Meta coming down, $8.78 down. Microsoft, $8.94 down. Google, $2.39 down. Netflix, $3.33 down. And Tesla, $4 down today. So Tesla Doji bar hold up this area. So this is pretty important level, the last pivot. Semiconductors, they were holding up pretty well. The only reason market didn't go that ugly because of two names, Nvidia and AMD. So we will cover those ones. Semis actually hold up pretty well. I know this is 1.85% to the downside, but compared to the other sectors, they hold up pretty well. Stocks, the same pattern, $12.91 down. Texas and Taiwan Semiconductor is going down as well. So this is kind of like a doji bar. Fair amount of support here in this gap and wide range bar, probably bearish consolidation for the next move to the downside. AMD just to hold up pretty nicely. Look at the pattern here. It's just forming a bullish consolidation. There is no sign of weakness in this chart at all, so be patient with this. Nvidia just moved to the higher. So even Nvidia was positive. Like this is phenomenal. Still people are buying, but when buyers are fading away, you will see the crash is coming with this. Like easily it can go down to $400 to $500. So we'll see Texas Instrument coming down. It can go lower. I believe still 146 to 150 is coming. Lam Research, $15.41 down today. Nice surge to the upside, but still down. XLF coming down today. Energy is Financial Spider coming down 53 cents down. KBE $1.59 down. Not a bad pattern. Hold up pretty nicely. KRE $2 down. JP Morgan $1.53 down. Look at that. So this is bullish consolidation. This is not sign of weakness. This is just I should say this is a very, very normal price action. Goldman Sachs, $3 down today. Bank of America, 87 cents down. Wells Fargo, 68 cents down. Not a bad shadows here. Look at that. So here is the wide range bar and lots of demands are here, still holding up pretty nicely. Moving on, the gold miners. So this sector smashed today due to bond yield and, as I said, inflation. So gold miners just crashing today, 25.89. GDXJ going down $31. This is very, very undervalued. And to be honest, this is very, very tempting. Everyone needs to keep an eye on this sector because that's going to be one of the best outperformer this year. Newmont coming down $1.52 down today, 4.53 cents down. Franco-Nevada $2.63 down. This is a nice formation. This is a nice bottoming formation, and I'm just looking for a nice parabolic move to the upside. Gold Barrick coming down $14.14 after hours. So it's just hitting this double bottom here. XLE Energy coming down today. Crude was positive, energy stocks negative. 83.38 bullish consolidation right now. XOP $2.10 down. OH $4.96 down. Exxon coming down today, $1.83 down. So this is a bullish consolidation. This is not a weakness. Chevron, this is not as strong as Exxon, but this is not bad as well. So recently had a nice surge. Right now it's just a corrective move, 150.60. So we will see how it goes with these names. I should say they can have another pop to the upside energy market, but ultimately I'm looking for kind of like a bearish momentum initiated probably second half of this year. All right, still choppiness and consolidation and lots of volatility is coming down the road, so buckle up because February, March is just started. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.